Hello bikers and babes, it's Rick Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're going to replace the grips on a 2004 Harley Davidson Softail Deuce. I peeled back these rubber boots. There's a 3/8 wrench, and I'm using a crescent to loosen the jam nut, and then I'm going to run these all the way in to give me slack here so I can replace the grip. Okay, I loosened them up with the wrenches, so I'm just going to run these back. The more slack I can give it, the better. I'm being a little stubborn. Now that I ran these all the way in, I should have plenty of slack. See how those things came out? I don't really want them out, but they do come out. There we go. And we're going to open up this housing so we can swap this guy out. Okay, I loosened the master cylinder assembly. I'm going to remove it. I already took the screw out. And I know there's another screw in here somewhere, but I think it's covered by this thing. Okay, I removed the master cylinder. And would you know what? The screw's right under there. Oh, flathead. Okay. Okay. So I just took these little ends off of how this thing's set up. They basically just slide in there, and then you put the little cable through the little slot. And I found the barrel, it's in there. It's right in there. I don't know where my fingers. It's right in there. So I'll put that all together correctly. And I put the two wires back. I fished out the barrel that was in this hole. And I see I put them back in here. And you position the wire like this and then slide it back over. As you can see, it's not quite in there yet. But there you go. Now you reassemble it, and then I'll show you how to adjust your throttle. You position the grip where this thing's closer to the front, because you want to allow max travel when you throttle it. So I put it about right there, because if you start over here, you're going to limit yourself here. Okay, so by positioning that, and then what you do is here you equally move these out. I try to keep about the same distance. See here? Alright. So you're starting to tighten up. See how the thing bounces up a little bit? You don't want that. I think it's pretty good. I'm going to clamp it down and try it out. As you can see, still got a little bit of play. Look at your carburetor. Probably different on, since I got a S&S shorty carb. Just a little bit of slack in there. I like it with very little slack, so I'm going to continue to bring that out. I like very little slack, so that seems to work out pretty good. Jam the nut in, tighten these together, and that'll hold it together. And then put your little rubber grommets back on. It's much simpler. You just open up this housing, and this sucker slides out. And you put the new one in, and it has a keyway, so you have to find it, and you clamp this guy down. Loosen these up and slid this away from there. Remove the two screws, one here and one back here, and open this up. And this guy, sometimes they have a set screw. I'm gonna look for it. Yeah, there's a set screw here. I'll slide this out and I'll put the other one in. I opened this up, took out those set screws and slid that sucker out. So here's a new one. If you look at the way this is set up, it has a keyway. And that keyway will correspond to the housing. So I'm gonna put that back together. Back on there. All good. All good. Let's try it out. If you like my videos, please subscribe, click the notification bell. Be safe out there, get out and ride, and God bless you.